Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Can you help me name all the animals that belong on this puzzle? Okay, let's begin. What animal is this? Yes, they're squirrels. Well done. What animal is this? Yes, this is a weasel. What about this one? A boar. Well done. Let's put it over here. Tell me what animal this is. Yes, they're rabbits. Excellent job. You're doing so great. How about this? Do you know what animal this is? Yes, it's a fox. What about this? Do you know what it is? A skunk. Yes. What about this animal? Do you know what type of bird this is? This is a woodpecker. Excellent job. What about this? Tell me what type of bird this is. Yes, it's an owl. Well done. We have two more. Do you know what animal this is? Yes, it's a deer. Excellent job. We have one more animal. Can you tell me what animal this is? A raccoon. Yes, thank you so much for helping me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.